Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we're going to cook chicken afritada. And what we need is chicken, like that. If you have legs or chicken wings, that's okay. And then onion, garlic, potato, bell pepper, carrots, oil, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and cheese. Okay, that's all what we need. So as you can see, I have all 1 pieces here, so that's enough for me, for us. So time to cook. Also the paminta. Okay, so let's go. Guys, let's start. Cut the vegetable. So this is the bell pepper, like that. And then the carrots, 1 pieces of carrots, 1 pieces of bell pepper, and 1 pieces of patatas, and then the 1 pieces of onion and garlic. I think 2 pieces only, and the chicken. And I forgot also to tell you this: patis, tomato sauce, salt, pepper, cheese, and nor cubes. Okay, and oil, so, and water. Okay, let's start to cook na, guys. First, the oil. This is the next. Onion first, it, and then garlic, just a little bit. That's hard. And then the chicken. Now the carrot. Also put it down. And then now the carrot. Now it's okay. You can put the water. And then we wait until it's soft. Then we can put some of the things we need it. Okay? Now. And next, the tomato sauce. Patis. Ay, talaga? Ito, black pepper. Mix up. Mix ko to. Nice. Okay. You can put some little bit of sugar. Just a little bit. cover up again. And now, another, the half again, the North chicken. And the sauce is that. And then this one, last but not the least. Okay, now the cheese last. Yes. Yeah. Okay, finish. Done with the chicken afritada.